ready to learn how to make the fastest Christmas star ornament ever. So to start with, you're going to need about 60 inches of cotton twine. You need 25 wooden beads that have a large center circle. These ones are 10 millimeter beads, and I have the link down below of where I ordered those. And you'll need a large eye needle and probably something to help you thread your needle, which is just a piece of floral wire in this case. And so thread your needle. Put 10 beads onto your string. Slide the beads down to where you have roughly 8 inches left as a tail. And go ahead and tie your center beads together to form a ring. Now we're going to add the points onto your star. So put 2 beads onto your string. And we're going to spread the two beads are going to gap over the bead down below. So go back through the center of that bead. Back up 1. Add a ball to the top for your point and back down. We're going to travel back through the center of the bead that you just did. And we're going to go through the center of one more. We're going to skip one in between each point. Add 2 more beads. We're going to gap this one, so we're going to go left to right. Go up number 1 side, pull it each time, pull it nice and tight. Add a bead and go back down. We're going to skip one by going through the center of it and continue skipping this one, and we're going to gap the next one. Add 2 beads. The tail is going to help form the hanger, and we're going to do the hanger on this point. So go through the one that is skipped and travel up the other point and take off your needle and thread your tail. We want the tail to thread up to the tip. Go through the top bead and tie a loop for your hanger. And there you are, the world's fastest, cutest Christmas star.